All right, guys, never in a million years did I think we were going to buy any kind of meme stocks, but today is the day. Fat Man Zoom, why are we buying a meme stock?
Well, so here's what's going on. You know we're not big fans of meme stocks, but here's the deal. We think they're a gamble, so we thought we'd come out to the golf course and we'd bet on some stocks. So we're gonna do
This is the golf course.
the virtual golf course. So we're gonna do a little competition between us, and the loser has to pick the meme stock of your choice.
But the caveat is that you are picking the stocks. We want you guys to comment down below and let us know which meme stock we should be buying. Should it be GameStop, AMC, whatever? Let us know what you guys, what the loser should be buying by the end of this.
Let the competition begin.
I don't think I'm gonna win, we'll see. All right, so we're gonna do 3 different distances, 3 different targets. One's gonna be 100 yards, 150, and the last one is gonna be wherever GameStop is actually trading at. Currently, it's right around $238 a share, so we'll do 238 yards.
All right, so here's the scoring system. This is our first target, it's 100 yards. There are 3 rings. Outer ring's 1 point, second ring's 2 points. The green circle is 3 points. We're gonna get 5 shots each. If we hit 5 of 5, we get an additional 5 bonus points.
So there you have it. May the best man win.
All right, round 1, Fat Man Zoom. 100 yards, let's go.
We're here at the Own the Chaos Classic. Fat Man Zoom is up first. First shot's a 5. I'm trying to whisper and be as distracting as possible.
All right, oh, we got a green to start, baby. 3 points.
God
baby.
damn it.
Seven points, baby. That's gonna be tough to beat.
Oh, that ain't gonna cut it. Zero.
Zero. That's another donut, ladies and gentlemen. So after 1 round, we have Fat Man Zoom with 7 points and Brad with 3. See, this next one's my money one, 150. Let's go.
Let's get on to round 2. I still got some ground to make up and I got some time. So we'll see what happens in the next round.
Announcer ain't saying nothing now, huh?
Shit.
Woo! Hang on, baby. Nope. Un cero.
That round, I got a big old goose egg. Fat Man Zoom got 2 points?
2 points.
2 points, so that makes the score what, Fat Man?
9-3. And we're going to our final distance. GameStop is currently at $239.81. So it will be 240 yards is the distance.
240. This has got to be my last hope. This actually is my distance. I might have Fat Man Zoom on him. We'll see how this one goes.
And that's exactly what he did, ladies and gentlemen. Give me the 240. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Woo! All right. All right, a final update. Brad's last chance to win. The score is 11-3. Brad needs 8 points. If he hits all 5, he actually will win.
Okay.
Last shot, he has to get a 3-pointer to top. He has to. Green circle or beyond.
Final update. It came down to the wire. I was starting to come back. It didn't quite work out. Fat Man Zoom, what was the final score?
The final score with the winning score of 11-8 and the inaugural champion, Fat Man Zoom, the winner of the first annual Own the Chaos Invitational.
There you have it.
But here, guys, listen. Here's the point. In the comment section, tell us which stock we need to have Brad buy. And then on Thursday in the live stream,
I'm going to buy it live.
he's going to buy it live.
Yes.
All right? So make sure you comment. It has to be a meme stock. Put it in there, whichever one you want. Fat Man Zoom, out.
Just to put a caveat in here, Rocket is a meme stock.
Go for 275.
275.
That's big for me.
I know.
Rip it, 275.
What the hell?
No, one more.
113 yards.
All right, tell us what you're doing.
All right, this is the 300 shot.
Oh. Talking all that trash. 160.
Hey, it's better than 113.